what is your recipe? What is your recipe for a burger? What is a recipe, first of all? Anyone?
Directions.
Directions on how to cook a dish. Instructions. Tonight I would like to talk about the relationship between recipes and entertainment. And I would like to be able to point out why we want to be entertained and how the consequence outflow of this is not something that we would like, and to give you a new way of looking at things. What's entertainment, anyone?
It's things you do to have fun.
Yeah, and the heart of all this is pleasure. Yes? What do we do with pleasure? When we desire something, we want to be able to do it to satisfy that desire. Yes? This is the same thing with recipes. With recipes, let's say we want to cook a vegetarian meal. It's not just vegetables, it's about also the taste of it, so that I will remain a vegetarian, right? And then, of course, there's this raw vegan who wants to do only raw vegetables and fruits, you see. And what happens is that these raw vegetables and fruits, they're the same as the cooked ones. The only difference is, what's the difference between a raw vegetable dish and a cooked vegetable dish?
One takes more time.
That's one, but
One could have less nutrients in the end, depending on how long you microwave something.
okay, that's part of it. But they both have nutrition information. The nutrition information does not change really. But the reason why we cook some vegetables, not cook some, is to break the cell wall, for the nourishment, for the body to assimilate. But what happens here is that with raw food, what we do is we put salt to break it up, or we put oil to also do that. So same effect. What we did with all this is that we went so far to entertain ourselves with this, and I don't like disease, I like health. I'm a vampire of health, you see? And from there, we created diet wars. And within all this, what's happening? I am the advertising agency. I am the businesses. I'm the health. I'm into health. I'm selling health products. And behind all this, what's happening is I, as the health industry, I'm profiting from all of you guys who are vegetarian, meat eaters, whatever. You have wars, diet wars, but I remain in control because I earn the money. This is what happens when we're into entertainment. This is the consequence outflow of when we do not use plants, animals, and food items according to what they're here for. What's food for? Nourishment. But we got lost along the way. And so this consequence outflow becomes, we become a victim to it. Correct? And guess what we do when we become a victim to this? We point our finger to someone else. It must be FDA, Monsanto, you know. So the news and the media profit from all of this. Don't you see the pattern? This is a mind pattern. What I'm here is to let you see the whole picture so that then you can question it. So that then when you get out of this pattern, we create another pattern which is beneficial for the body and beneficial for the whole industry, really. And what it is that if I am a plant and I'm here to give myself, to give you nutrition, your body nutrition, and you're recognizing that and saying, okay, spinach. You're not more special than the carrot, because the carrot has lots of sugar, and of course not too many carrots. But acknowledging their nutrition makeup, each of them has their nutrition makeup, and putting this together in a form of a recipe. So ladies and gentlemen, that's what I did. I became vegetarian, vegan, vegetarian, got hit with cancer, and I changed the whole thing and developed low sugar meals, low salt meals, but also developed other dishes, meat, vegetables, and that. And later on, I would like to propose for us to have some sort of a monitor, to monitor what nutrition is lacking in our body and to eat from that starting point. Okay, now I have this monitor, it's saying I need vitamin A. Let's go to the restaurant. The restaurant business will change, ladies and gentlemen. This is the sort of entertainment I would like you to look at. Because entertainment comes from a lack of something. I'm bored, I gotta be entertained. Nothing's happening, I don't have money. Let me entertain myself. Aha! Salt and sweet. Food becomes entertainment. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see food for what it is. And have a look at the card that I gave you. Please have a look at what I have for you. Thank you.